Hey, Chef Billy Parisi here with Heinen's Grocery Stores, and today I'm literally making my favorite meal of all time, braised lamb shanks, and they are going to be absolutely delicious and perfect for this holiday season. Holiday cooking can be extremely stressful. Everything is last minute. You've got all the things on the countertop, on the cooktop, in the oven. Here's a really easy slow cooker meal that you can make ahead of time, chill, and then simply put right back in your slow cooker hours before you want to feed your guests. What we're going to do first, though, is cook up everything. I've got some delicious lamb shanks. What we need to do is season them very well on all sides with some fresh sea salt, some cracked black pepper. Now we're going over to the stove top. I've got a very large saute pan. Let's go ahead and add some olive oil in there. And the goal here is to brown the lamb shanks on all sides. So once we put them in there, we're gonna turn the heat down a little bit to about medium. Now this is great timing because we can go back over to the cutting board and prep up our vegetables. These veggies are gonna bring a ton of great flavor when braising up our lamb shanks. I've got some yellow onions, some celery, carrots, parsnips, turnips. Go ahead and add a few garlic cloves into that mixture. Go back over to the cooktop where the lamb is. Give it a few turns. Make sure it's golden brown on all sides. What we're gonna do now is go ahead and take those pan-seared lamb shanks, put them right into that crock pot that we're gonna be cooking in. Go over to that pan while it's nice and hot. Let's add all of those sliced vegetables that we just cut up. We want to brown these up. It's going to take in between 4 and 5 minutes on medium-high heat to get a nice brown on them. Once they do have the little bit of caramelization, we're going to deglaze with some red wine. You can use Cabernet Sauvignon or Merlot. Once the liquid is reduced by about half, or there's about maybe a quarter cup to a few tablespoons left, we're now going to add in some tomato paste. This is going to help make sure our mixture is nice and thick when braising it. Go ahead and stir it right into the vegetables. Now go back over to that slow cooker. Add the vegetables right over top, all of those pan-seared lamb shanks. Now what we're gonna do is add in a few more things for some flavor. We are gonna add in some canned plum tomatoes, some beef stock. We wanna season it very heavily with salt and pepper. And last but not least, I've got a combination of parsley, thyme, and rosemary. Go ahead and add that right in there. Put the top on. We're gonna cook it on high heat for 4 hours. We're gonna come back and check it out. Our braised lamb is finished and it smells amazing in here. You're gonna love this recipe. At this point, if you're not ready to serve it, go ahead and take that insert right out of the slow cooker and chill it completely. Now, the day of your holiday or whenever you're having a dinner party, whatever the case may be, pull it out about 3 or 4 hours before you're ready to serve it. Put it on high heat in your slow cooker. Boom, by the time your guests are there and it's time to eat, you're gonna have perfectly delicious braised slow cooked lamb that your guests are gonna absolutely love. Now to plate this up, simply you can serve it over risotto or polenta. In this case, I've just got some mashed potatoes. Go ahead and add that to a bowl. Take one of our braised lamb shanks out, put it right on top of the mashed potatoes. Remember, we've got all those wonderful vegetables in there and a little bit of that sauce. Pour it all over that lamb shank. And to finish it, I usually add on some fresh herbs. We use rosemary and thyme here, so I'm gonna put that right on there. Boom, we're finished. Let's for sure try this out. This is absolutely, bar none, one of my favorite recipes to make, especially over the holidays. Every time I make this dish, my family and friends are absolutely wowed. You are gonna love this. It's incredibly easy to make, maybe 20 minutes of prep. The slow cooker does the rest of the work. And what a great make-ahead meal for whenever it is you want to serve it up. Pull it out of the fridge into the slow cooker. A few hours later, a delicious dish. No stressing out this holiday season. Be sure to get all of these great ingredients from your favorite Heinen's grocery stores and visit Heinens.com to see all of our great recipe videos. We've got a ton of wonderful stuff for the holidays. Be sure to check it out. See you next time.